Now in the previous video I have showed you how we can use React Bootstrap to choose some components and add them to our project, and in this video we're going to continue that. Now we're going to build some kind of a block basically with the components that we have from React Bootstrap. Now I encourage you to take a look at every component that you can have from React Bootstrap, as I'm currently not going to go through all of them. However, now we would want to create cards and take a look at this component here. We're going to take that and put it in our content here, and we're going to post several cards here that are going to represent our blog posts. So let's go ahead and copy this card element here. Just copy it and let's create a new component. Let's name the component post basically, post.js, and as always import React from React, and let's give that the name of post to be equal to arrow function, and inside there let's give our card there and export default post. Now remember, we would need to import all of the elements inside. We need just to import the card and the button here. So type import in brackets card and button from React Bootstrap. From, not form. Okay, and everything compiles correctly. So what we would want to have now is to change our src for the image of our card here. So let's go ahead and find our Gatsby image that we previously used in our project. Gatsby image, let's search for that. Okay, now let's go ahead and download the image. Just save it somewhere on your system. Let's give it the name Gatsby. And let's open that in the folder and drag and drop it in our static folder. In the static folder you would want to put your images that you're going to use. So let's go ahead and drop that there. And now inside of our card, in the post I mean, we would want to change the src to gatsby.jpg. Okay, and we would want to delete the style from 18 rem, and this is it. So now in our index.js file here, we would want to import on top our post from .components / I forgot the first / post, and here where we have our container we would want to use our post here. So let's go ahead and see what's going to happen. Can't resolve React Bootstrap. Okay, we had a mistake in the import, so bootstrap. Make sure you always check the errors here, as they are giving you examples of proper coding. For example, I forgot here in the index.js to delete my link from Gatsby, as I'm not currently using this. I would want to delete it. And here you have it. Here's our card for the post. We would have the title here, we would have an excerpt from our content here and a link to our blog post. So this is it for this lecture. I'm going to see you in the next one.